going to show you how to do a standing double crochet. Instead of having a chain 3 and a double crochet, I'm going to show you how to do just one double crochet standing alone, so you have just your stitch here without 2 stitches to start each row, just like how these rows start with 1 stitch. So instead of the 2 stitches together, I'm going to show you how to do a standing. So you're going to take your yarn and you're going to wrap it around your hook twice. Then you're going to insert it into your stitch, and you can insert it in this beginning stitch or this stitch here. I'm skipping each stitch just to show you as an example. It doesn't matter. If it is a straight edge, you can just place it right in that beginning stitch. It just depends on how you would like to start your stitch. So you're going to wrap your yarn twice around your hook, and I'm going to insert my hook, and I'm going to grab the yarn, and you're going to want to keep these ends somewhat taut and tight as you do this. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, just like a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. So you created your standing double crochet, and you have this tail, and you're going to have to take your yarn needle and weave it in the back when you're finished with your row. Then you're just going to continue on with your double crochet. So you're going to yarn over and just insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and just continue on with a double crochet in each stitch across. Then in the back, you're going to have this tail. You can take your yarn needle and you can weave it in. Just depends on how you like to weave it in. I would just take my yarn needle and then weave it in the back so it can't be seen and it's secure. And you can just do that a few times, and that gets rid of that tail. And then you just cut that yarn. And then you just continue on till you get to the end. And then I'll just show you again one more time so you know how to do it. Also, you can play this video in slow motion on your phone or on your PC, and I have a video that I just recently uploaded for that, so you can, if you need to watch this in slow motion. So I'll show you how to do this again. Okay, so to do the standing double crochet, you're going to take your yarn and yarn over your hook twice, insert it into the stitch that you want to create your double crochet in. Keep your ends taut and tight as much as you can. And then you're going to insert your hook after you yarned over twice, yarn over, insert your hook through, yarn over, and then pull it through. So that's how you start it. I'm going to show you again, just in case you missed it. You're going to take your hook, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. I'm skipping this beginning and then doing it in the next. You can of course go right into that stitch because this is the stitch and I skipped. It just depends on where you would like the double crochet. Hold on to this tail tightly, and then you're going to go into your next stitch and work your double crochet. And then you're just going to repeat that. And then what you're going to do is you can pull this tightly, and then in the back when you finished your row, you can go back and take your yarn needle and weave in the ends just like I showed you before. And that's how you can do a standing crochet on your rows, so you don't have to do 2 together. And it's going to look like this. Instead of 2, you'll have just the 1. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already.